Welcome to Target 190 IAS Academy. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 11th standard chemistry volume 1 பார்க்க போறோம். So நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போற டாபிக் நேம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா thermodynamics. So இந்த லெசன்ல இருக்கிற 1 marks நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட்டா இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். So keep watching. So choose the best answer. First question, the amount of heat exchanged with the surrounding at constant temperature and pressure is given by the quantity dash. The answer is option B, delta H. Second one, all the naturally occurring process proceed spontaneously in a direction which leads to dash. The answer is option D, decreases in free energy. Third one, in adiabatic process, which of the following is true? The answer is option A, Q is equal to W. Fourth one, in a reversible process, the change in entropy of the universe is dash. The answer is option D is equal to 0. Fifth one, in adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas is equal to dash. The answer is option A, W is equal to minus delta U. The intensive property among the quantities below is dash. The answer is option D, mass by volume. Seventh, when an ideal gas expands from the volume of 1 into 10 to the power of 3 meter cube to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter cube at 300 Kelvin against a constant pressure 1 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton meter per minus 2. The work done is dash. The answer is option A, minus 900 joule. Heat of combustion is always dash. ஸோ நம்ம ஒரு கம்பஷன் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த ஹீட் வந்து ஆல்வேஸ் அ நெகட்டிவ். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் பி. நைன்த் ஒன், த ஹீட் ஆஃப் ஃபார்மேஷன் ஆஃப் C1 CO2 ஆர் minus 26.4 kCl and minus 94 kCal respectively. Heat of the combustion of carbon monoxide will be dash. The answer is option B, minus 67.6 kCal. 10th one, diamond gives so C2C diamond graphite, so delta H is equal to negative. This indicates dash. So எப்போவுமே பார்த்திங்கன்னா டைமண்டை விடவும் கிராஃபைட் தான் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஸ்டேபிள்லையும் அதோடைய இதுலேயும் ஸ்ட்ராங்லேயும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஜாஸ்தி. ஸோ கிராஃபைட் இஸ் மோர் ஸ்டேபிள் தென் த டைமண்ட். 10th one, the enthalpies of formations of Al2O3 and CO2O3 are minus 1596 kJ and minus 1134 kJ respectively. Delta H for the reaction 2Al and Cr2O3 gives 2Cr plus Al2O3 is dash. So the answer is option D, minus 462 kg. 12th one, which of the following is not a thermodynamic function? So the answer is option D, frictional energy. 13th one, if 1 mole of ammonia and 1 mole of hydrogen chloride are mixed in a closed container to form a ammonium chloride gas, then dash. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா அமோனியா ஒரு மோலும் ஹைட்ரஜன் குளோரைடை ஒரு மோலும் எடுத்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு கண்டெய்னரில் போடுறோம். ஸோ அதில் வந்து அமோனியம் குளோரைட் கேஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற மாதிரி வச்சுருக்கோம். ஸோ அது ஈக்குவேஷன் எப்படி எழுதணும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டெல்டா ஹெச் இஸ் லெஸ் தென் டெல்டா யூ. 14th one, change in internal energy when 4 kg of work is done on the system and 1 kg of the heat is given out by the system is dash. So the answer is option C, plus 3 kJ. 15th one, the work done by the liberated gas when 55.85 gram of iron reacts with the hydrochloric acid is an open beaker at 25 degrees Celsius. So the answer is option A, minus 2.48 kJ. 16th one, the value of delta H for the cooling 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas is from 125 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius at constant pressure will be dash. So the answer is minus 500 R. 17th one, given that C plus O2 gives CO2, delta H naught is equal to minus A kJ. CO plus O2 gives CO2, delta H naught is equal to minus B kJ. Calculate the delta H naught for the reaction Cg plus O2. So Cg, C வந்து gas, அதே மாதிரி O2 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா gas, so gives CO gas. Answer is option D, B minus 2A by 2. 18th one, when 15.68 liters of gas mixture of methane and propane are fully combusted at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere, 32 liters of oxygen at the same temperature and pressure are consumed. The amount of heat of released from the combustion in kJ is minus 890 kJ mole per minus 1 and delta Hc is equal to minus 2020 kJ mole per minus 1. So the answer is option D, minus 653.66 kg. 19th one, the bond dissociation energy of methane and ethane are 360 kJ mole per minus 1 and 620 kJ mole per minus 1 respectively. Then the bond dissociation energy of C2C bond is dash. So the answer is option C, 80 kJ mole per minus 1. So next we move on to the 20th question. The correct thermodynamic conditions for the spontaneous reaction, all the temperature is dash. The answer is option A, delta H less than 0 and delta S greater than 0. 21, the temperature of a system decreases in an dash. So system or component எதனால temperature decrease ஆகுதுன்னா அது adiabatic expansion. So the answer is option C. 22nd, in isothermal reversible compression of ideal gas, the sign of a Q, delta S and W are respectively. So answer is option D, negative, negative and positive. 23rd, molar heat of vaporization of a liquid is 4.8 kg mole per minus 1. If the entropy change is 16 J mole per minus 1 K per minus 1, the boiling point of the liquid is dash. So answer is option B, 27 degrees Celsius. 24th, delta S is expected to be maximum for the reaction dash. So the answer pathina CaCO3 gives CO plus CO2. 25th pathina, the values of delta H and delta S for the reaction are respectively 30 kJ mole per minus 1 and 100 JK per minus 1 and mole per minus 1. Then the temperature above which the reaction will become spontaneous is dash. Answer is option A, 300 Kelvin. So in the lesson like complete 1 marks cover பண்ணியாச்சு. Part 2 வீடியோவில் நம்ம 2 marks and briefly questions discuss பண்ணலாம். So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.